uncovering investment potential in India's defense sector. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be uncovering investment potential in India's defense sector. India's defense sector is undergoing a massive transformation. Are you ready to capitalize on the emerging opportunities? Let's dive into the investment potential. India is shifting from being a major importer to a self-reliant defense manufacturer. This Make in India initiative is creating a fertile ground for domestic companies. Government policies are strongly supporting indigenous production. This includes simplified licensing, increased FDI limits, and dedicated defense corridors. These measures are designed to boost local manufacturing and innovation. This shift presents significant opportunities for investors. Companies involved in manufacturing, technology, and R&D are poised for substantial growth. Several factors are driving growth in India's defense sector. Geopolitical tensions, modernization needs, and a focus on self-reliance are key. The Indian government is committed to modernizing its armed forces. This translates into large procurement contracts and opportunities for defense companies. Areas like aerospace, naval systems, cybersecurity, and advanced materials are particularly promising. Investing in these sectors could yield high returns. The Indian defense sector is becoming increasingly competitive. Both established players and new entrants are vying for market share. Understanding the competitive landscape is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Analyze companies' strengths, weaknesses, and market positioning. Look for companies with strong technological capabilities, established relationships with the government, and a proven track record. These factors can indicate long-term success. Investing in the defense sector requires navigating complex regulatory and policy frameworks. Understanding these frameworks is essential for mitigating risks. Familiarize yourself with the Defense Procurement Procedure, DPP, and other relevant regulations. Compliance is key to successful participation in the sector. Stay updated on policy changes and government initiatives. This will help you anticipate future trends and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. Consider various investment strategies, such as direct equity investments, venture capital, and private equity. Each strategy has its own risk-reward profile. Diversification is crucial for mitigating risks. Spread your investments across different companies and subsectors within the defense industry. Conduct thorough due diligence before making any investment decisions. Assess the financial health, management team, and growth prospects of potential investments. India's defense sector offers significant investment potential for those who understand the dynamics and are willing to navigate the complexities. The shift towards self-reliance, coupled with modernization efforts, creates a compelling investment narrative. Ready to explore the opportunities? Don't miss out on this transformative opportunity. Invest in India's defense future today.